Hi folks, G3 here, and welcome to another instalment of my journey to go green. Now, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoy it, remember to click like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget, click the bell icon so you get notified as soon as I load up new videos. I've got an update for you this week on how the compost heap is going. I've gone and removed the squash. They've all finished. So that was the butternut squash that were in here, and I also had some courgettes in the next one. So now they're removed, I'm going to be moving the compost from this bin into here to continue its development, which will free up space in this bin to turn the far bin into here. And when we do that, we can check on progress for the Maistic cloth as well as the Dentabs bag. It's really not been long at all, so I don't expect anything to have happened. But seeing as we're turning, we might as well have a look. I'm in my working clothes because I'm going to be getting dirty, so let's get stuck in. What I'll need to do first is to put the boards in the front, down the slots, to increase the level of soil that can go in there. There we go, we've got a bit of extra depth, so now I can turn this soil into the end bin. I've emptied the middle bin, it's all gone, and it's been placed in this end bin, which is now a lot fuller. Now, during the process there's lots of big bits of wood and other things that haven't decomposed fully. So I take those out and put them back in the first bin because they're going to need more time. There's quite a bit of wood and twigs and stuff. But also see that there's, well, yeah, there we go. There's a wood louse just disappearing there. One of the creatures that's working on this and breaking it down. Now comes the main task. I'm going to move everything from the far bin into the middle bin. Present for me in the middle of the other bin, a full egg. Now, I haven't composted any full eggs, so this has been added in by one of the local foxes at some point. They've buried it in there. I really don't fancy breaking this open. It's going to smell, but it will need to be done at some point. Right, let's get on with moving this over. When I need to, when the level's getting high, I'll put another board in. Drop that down, and then we've got extra retaining space there. Now this stuff at the moment isn't broken down particularly well because it's only just been placed on top, but the process of mixing this as we're going will mean that this will start, it'll be at the bottom, it will start getting broken down, and there'll be other bits mixed in with it that will help break it down that are already part way through that regeneration. Found here are the Dentabs bag and the Maistic cloth. Now this has quite a bit of life on it already, starting to get embedded in there. Obviously not broken it down a huge amount yet, but it's only been in there a week or two. With a few more months past, I would expect that to be even more broken down. Good progress so far. So I'm going to bury that deep and then carry on with topping this all up. Right, so that's all moved. The end bin has been turned into the middle bin, and before that the middle bin had been turned in here. So here we are with the end bin, and I've gone and opened a bag of leaf mould on here as well to give it something to break down. There was also a slow worm lurking over on one side, so there's a slow worm over in that corner, under around there. The middle bin, now say this had a lot of chunky woody bits in, so again, I've gone and put some leaf mould on the top, which will help break it down a bit better because this is full of lots of insects that are already in the process of breaking this down, and they will help degrade the bits and pieces underneath as well. So that's the process. We've got the 3 bins moved. So the end one is now ready to receive material again, and the middle one's going to carry on breaking down, and this end one is going to finish its cycle, and it will be ready at the turn of the new year for me to use that on my borders, raised beds and in the greenhouse. So there we are, that's where we are with the composting at the moment. It's all moved over. We've had a look at how the Maistic cloth and the Dentabs bag are breaking down. They've started the process. It's very early days, but they are now in the middle of that middle bin and will be breaking down further. So that's progress for you. Well, that's it, folks. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then please click the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and click on the bell icon so you get notified when I load up a new video. Until next time, bye.